It's time to water the plants. Okay, here's my balcony. And every day I do a little bit. It's rather humid. And I've learned to not do too much. Because if you do too much, it doesn't work. I make a review of what's out here very quickly. It's actually not so hot today. It's a lot cooler. And I have a big thing of water here. And I'm just gonna water and see how everything's going. Like this plant's gonna get transferred to over here. So let's wet this because you want deep penetration of water. The thing is, water doesn't always hit every place. So this is why multiple watering is very important. Here we are looking at my tomato plant that I revived literally from death. And it's actually looking very good now. It's had a few days. You know, don't be so quick to throw out those plants. If they're looking sad, there's always a chance to revive them. Try. If it doesn't work, you can throw them away then. But look, this plant is going to make it. It's just a matter of a little loving care every day, nurturing, water, and sunshine. I know this plant is going to be giving me tomatoes soon. And here's the lovely city of Chicago where my other garden was, the one I love that was on the ground, not in a balcony. Here, the winds can blow very, very high. Today we have a gentle wind. I am a smoke and mirrors specialist. Look. Later, I will plant my Gerber daisies, but it doesn't look too bad, you know, especially if you aren't a big flower person. And here, just since I'm already here, is where Claim Company is. And people are starting to go out, and over there is Mariano's. And here I am again. And I wish you a very nice day. These are wonderful products. I may just keep this with the hole out here. Except that I had it last night and it got kind of rained on. But actually this is the way you can sort of freshen up a comforter, is to air wash it. In other words, shake it out in the air and it freshens it up. But, you know, there's a limit to what you can do with textiles. They are not impervious to everything. They do deteriorate over time due to sunlight and wear and tear and watering. And we bought this comforter over 32 years ago. So that's how long I have had this. And when we had it, it was very exciting. Let me tell you about it.